Sir, I rise to support this bill and I do not agree with my colleague Sri Jairam Rameshji because monument is the property of the country and property of the citizens of this country. And it is our responsibility to protect the monuments. Whether there has to be a budgetary allocation or funds are to be remitted through CSR is only a matter of subject matter of discussion. But funds have to be spent, they are to be protected. Therefore, I rise to support this bill. Sir, the 3-4 points I would like to bring to your kind notice is that one day, if not, we are all sitting here. This parliament building we are inherited and we are operating from this building today will become a monument down the line after a few years. Next year or next to next year. So, monument of democracy. Yes, this is also a monument. And temples are also monuments. Churches are also monuments. Mosques are also monuments. All prayer halls, there are so many monuments. They are to be protected irrespective of the caste, religion, everything. So, the bill is to be supported and deserves to be supported. Sir, see, I draw your attention to the CSR funds, relevant provisions in the Companies Act. Sir, the Companies Act, in fact, it is reproduced here. The company shall give, see how to spend the CSR funds. First of all, it's an average net profit of the company, 2% of the average net profit of the company. It is fine. So where to spend? The company shall give preference to the local area and areas around it where it operates for spending the amount earmarked for corporate social responsibility activities. I would draw your kind attention to this particular provision. Sir, if there is a company whose head office or registered office is located in Hyderabad, Delhi or Bombay, and has got about 4 or 5 different factories located in 4 different states. And this particular Companies Act, provision in the Companies Act, gives an option to the company to spend not only the local area, it is not mandatory, it is an option given to the company. Wherever the company wants to spend, preferably local area, and it can spend. This should not be the case, because the company is collecting the taxes from the local people and paying the taxes to the local government